In this video, I'm going to show you how to structure a sales rep performance review in less than 5 minutes without spending hours creating your own template. Most sales leaders try to review their team's performance using outdated manual methods or random spreadsheets they've found online. This usually results in inconsistent feedback and reps getting frustrated. But once you use this AI-powered Google Sheet template, you'll never go back. I've included a link to the template below, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use it step by step. Once you download the sheet, you'll see a customizable performance review template. The first tab is your blank canvas. Enter your rep's name, their job title, your name, and the review year. It's designed to measure both hard and soft skills. Hard skills like product knowledge and process efficiency, and soft skills like communication and collaboration. The beauty here is the easy-to-use grading system, so your reps can quickly see how they're doing on a scale of 1 to 3. Now, the second tab is an actual example of what a sales rep performance review would look like. This one tracks quarterly progress, which affords reps time to make meaningful progress in each of these key areas. The key here is consistency. You'll input the scores every quarter to monitor growth. This allows you to pinpoint areas for improvement and celebrate wins, which keeps your team motivated and aligned with long-term goals. The final tab is where it gets interesting. It's powered by AI. You'll find a GPT prompt that gives you the top hard and soft skills required for whatever role you are evaluating at your company. No more guessing or Googling what skills to include. The AI does it for you based on your unique business needs. So there you have it. Now you know how to structure a sales rep performance review in under 5 minutes using this AI-powered Google Sheet. Go download the template now. Subscribe to the channel for more templates that help you grow revenue faster using AI. See you in the next video.